sports, news, entertainment, education. PACO TV. Experience the thrill of TV.
PACO TV, good morning, and so when him says do Fridays na the journey of health. Apomuden Akwantu na me de bremo na mo sweet baby girl, mo sexy journalist ba kope ye frame lady Titi. The nejumedie mo amunim. It's all about health. It's about Apomuden. Na ena kokoye holiday die in 4th July. Ena holiday. Uni ahoden a you can go out into mesremo. Mo mama Apomuden ho enya modadwen because your health is my priority. When him say jumadie we yon kwana ye won krofo a woson ya say betray mo our sponsors. So many people sponsor this program. Intina ye koye ni ma ebinem nyame ye Joyce Fashion Center. Nyame mamo say mo de ko funeral, sorry, say a wedding, engagement, birthday party, baby biara aye shatare ko. A Joyce Fashion Center. Nyame Joyce Fashion Center. Moshe se na ma ye feya e yen nsano. Oni de opama de a hu se wudim ankasa. If you say na me buy na ode atare na ma me say Nyame Joyce why ya de Nyame inshaw. Eye Nyame Joyce Fashion hon so onpama de nko akeke. Osan so tonton fabrics. Ayen to maybe a ope lace kente mahama into money de adorso on a shop who drew honswa shop atari bi a ope biana to maybe a ope biano or the bema on one so besan so I then up pamama a affordable and cheap. No be baby sassing a Joyce Fashion ye be located away or latte DA opposite wa who drew her no hono in your aquine. You find her, you see her. Now I'll bet testify. Udu hon so akache ne say Lady Titi in a semembra. Obey you God, why trust me. Ni yakoye nim so Paddy's mother care. Paddy's mother care. Whether na de no ho aba. Whether we dey they are in nam. Na yare ni mu nso e dey awon nam. Meaning say mo be kokoko last week I suffered teenage pregnancy and you be an fire. To move back mo na me pa no na ba ne sanso a eye Paddy's mother care or monochrome or tonkwada ho bibia eye babies oil, pampers, cushions, kaseya nkwala yididie gori toys, everything about babies eye Paddy's mother care udru no ho a obenya na bibi eno so eye salad eye authentic enye fake because me fake no ma do fake. Samatimase na Paddy's mother can so bo monochrome who drew one out shasha ube hu ni yakoye nim so Rated Cosmetics e hono so wo pe nku ade biara ye de ka hu na mdua no se na be da hu na mdua be kasa e Rated Cosmetics or latte kubase PSTS in chemu ha wo drew ho so na wo pe biara or de bema ni yakoye nim a oye talk to me building and construction. Or you talk to me building and construction. So baby atoto adan hu nyama eye iron rods, roofing sheet, paint, bibi biara ye di sidan medan ye de or you talk to me building and construction. On also war fire service in chemu wa udru honum now bisa or ye talk to me obi abechero ne chi akwan. Mon say and sponsors from ye Juma Pan. Ye don't so ask because every day they sponsor us. Thank you and God bless everybody. Na ansana ye beto adwumedie no ye ntwa ye ho sema na ye nkombra.
Obi benya wa na fi yade. Adofo ne ebusia da po wa na fi yade. Impo so wo keni nso ho ba flower na fi yade kroya. Enunti midi program awon so amatu ni din Apomuden Akwantu mitremu a the journey of health mede bremo wasa dwumedie mu ye be hwanyama bebre ebi no yen psychological condition mitremu our mental health well-being ye be sanso ye medical condition ye physical aspect nyama ye be ya e di impuntu bebre ye nipadua ene ya Apomuden was Sajimedie Monso, Yabeton Safre a cuckoo dam, expert people, learned people, send your bear, ye no mobe sim conja, ye no what's nase, a shia dear, no much tray, and yama yabeya ebe boy any pediano. Naba hoko a medday, yen sex life. Which a dear monso, because our mental health is stable, na physical aspect me is stronger. When sexing is so sweet and amazing. Was I junior dear monso, and yet de bian your best na studio so a to de bia, yabako mountain so yabako if ye fimo market in sorry hospitals any baby biara. Siame lady titi our PACO TV if yadana if ye de biara 11 o'clock to 12:30 p.m. Ni ancho chenkomo ni ye hwedro. So what person won sponsor program we ya emane iya wodadwene so we ya market seller ni so we ya ejuma of pharmacy so we ya ejuma of hospital doctors for lawyers for lots of companies for any biaye bebre ejuma ahu bebre you can sponsor this program send ye be ya ye bedu echu makra mo hia me abreni abrebia medamase
Besan soma makwaba eba PACO TV na munum say do Fridays and the journey of health jumedie na lady titi mede bremo ne on this show with our topic we are going to talk about depression. Depression, I know it's a word that most at times we use, but I think we don't really understand the word, because some people usually say I am depressed, I am unhappy, I am worried, I'm not interested, I don't want to go alone, I want to be alone. It's all about depression. You see, it's one of the psychological conditions. With that condition alone, it's made a yarewa bebreba, like anxiety, stress, panic attack, bipolar, OCD, PICA, and many more. With this depression alone, because I always say D is for the devil and D is for depression. So now the devil knocks at your door, then you open her, everything scatter. That's the same way. So now depression knock at your door, now open her, it breaks you. I always say this, our brain na eda yen skull no, it's like an engine eda car mo. The way the engine can make a car move, I think without the engine, the car will not even work or start. So with the engine, we have the brake, we have the accelerator, we have the water pump, a lot. Yes, a lot. And before it will work, it's about the engine. So you're buying that's it anymore. Before we can think, move, do anything, it's about the brain. And if the brain tells you, say you are depressed, my dear, it will surely come to pass. So with this topic, I didn't come here alone today. Last week, I was alone. Today, I am too, because nyanseni obaku fuchrim. This topic is really broad, and it's really worrying people out there. Depression, one who say where the next simple kekeno. Nebe to me a no. So on today's program, me inviting a special guest. Me dear, me ta friend wofa. E be so friendly teacher. Just say, oh no dear. Or yeah everything. Strong man, gentleman, well cultured, trained. Or also you're Christian. That man or you noble man. Into me person on kasa be boni din. Train the view free. Na ya tell you nkomo na so. Wa fa me akwa baba the journey of health jumedie. Aha, was I show you so no. PACO TV, it's all about health. Every Friday diana me that say me ton sa from so when one shima no and see film and you came with a good heart. Me better obebo din na wa train baby a wo free.
Yo, the kind me da wase. Me da management of PACO TV and so ase na me da radin so ase bebre say ene wa ma yakwanya ya obri friend opportunity o ma yakwanya say memra mo medium yi so na yen be express ye ho kakra na me da ase bebre me san da etiefo nso ase ene won a wo ahwefo nso ase baby bi obi awo bia no bre ya di bia ohia yiye nse wonya obi nya wo ho bre a nse wo se woni konso epe wasem na odwene wo ho nso obi mpe wasem na onwene wo ho a onya bre emma wo enti ahwefo na tiefu nyina yeda maso ase nso yeda obi a otie yen nso ase me a me tie ya mani krokrokro yi me da urade ase bebre se wa mama hodin ne na matimi aba show yi so na matimi me din teacher Ansa bebre na eniomi teacher Ansa me din ankasa ye Mr. Edu Ansa ya me ya woda into bit my friend ya yeah, most people who knows me, most especially my girlfriends, they call me ya
girlfriends
so,
no
yes.
money there
oh say you want now for me bebre oh what you your madam
for
yes
your girlfriend
me mama so your madam for bia me no me ne niano mpanyifo a wonyina ye mea wonyina ye mea ento say me can say girlfriend a they say what down for oye obia
okay
yes our boyfriends what down for oye bema
my dad always say kokumba kokumba
and know a different thing so what can kokumba it means different thing but now for this particular reason I'm talking about the girlfriends and then the boyfriends yes me now for oye mea and me da won ase obi bia so ase medical can say me din ankasa Edu Ansa Edu is a hyphenated Edu Ansa somewhere can home somewhere can home medical can say wo me yawoda enti wo bet me afra me yawo me abrantia me wo yere anima yeah na most especially me mani nyina ye be man kwan enti no me fa we twam obi a me hye wonyam na wo be wo bia le say em na hye wonyam ai
that is it about depression ba bet you know
oh yeah na tani be ka se wo yeah enti no me san ye Christonia me ko Assemblies of God e wo late ye watiefo eni ahwefo a wo tie sa bre opportunity anasa kwanya odi amami mejina sa kwanja iso na mechia adofo bi ni di kan ye Pastor Solomon young sorry man you have to leading King Solomon but this man is marvelous this man is powerful is everything yes so Nick I di kan call ma Pastor Solomon mesa chia asori mpenyifo church board for evangelist pajo wofajo Sister Bruce Nana ya when you know to be body makuma kwa obi before say the person is left out entina sorry fu nyina michiamo afei echia busuafo nso echia latefo nyina mesa echia edwumawura esan say wa ma me kwan a akase dwumadi emaso yo biase
Mr. Samuel Edu Ansa aka Wofa aka teacher teacher and sign and yet on suffering about the journey of health Jumedi. Now, Mr. Edu Ansa, maybe I have to call you Wofa because that is what I'm used to. So Wofa, have you heard the word depression?
Yeah.
Into say you can depression by this time obi access our word another but only matter some people use it like that into say you can depression one bra a chefoni etie for a shame person only yonko into details now on share more na depression ete
okay depression sania meaning about where the kind akano depression a word English word na every English word has its own meaning a song ye assembly so emudo when obi depression you'll be depressed no feel say society in Yempenasem, he's left out. We look down to the person. He think negatively. Bibi ona or kasa na yakana share. Plus those things, depression and so obi be depressor. And yet nenkwana a chassis. It means chassis the very day you are born. Okay. And now say, oh mama no papa, it bring you up. Kwademu and me be brave wa nemo frasino mranti bi a brono wo ye na yakayaka de me ani bi bebre so wo ha many bi wa wo repo wo enti no ohun obema osuro
I traumatized.
Just say I and be a done so that person is depressed. Yes, okay. Na a bio said epanisa oni do mabeme bia otumi tina se me nware ana se just say ohia beme bia won abrabo mu that person like this she thinks negatively about men.
So sad.
Yes, Emma Debia or you're very sad or happy. BBPA ni wa o can offer. There's a train that won't timuno and one or or ne feelings, ne thinking, ne looking at things within the society of let's say she is left out. That person like this, she's depressed and something which cannot express it louder.
So, what Famayentia says, when you talk about depression, it's a psychological or clinical condition. It is emotional thing. People don't see. People don't see when someone is depressed. Yes, though there was some physical output to be a one who said this person is depressed. But it's something that it's within. It means you're sad, worried, unhappy. Say unim nipanoa, you know say this person is not well. The way of thinking is different. The way of mind here say we have some women be the way they brought up, a bit more abusive, like child labor, a bit so had they've been raped. Due to that, they are depressed. Out of depression, they are traumatized. Ebanesa, a worrying emotionally, physically, mentally. So what I say. Nani nyine na just say high. Now if I to aswa, me nyini say nipa bia sore keka, the person will be like I am depressed. Bibi if bibi na di bibi ba na ema depression e den AC. So someone will actually say so much you say depression here when someone is sad, not happy, or when someone is not interested, and immediately someone wants to be lonely and now isolating home from others now. The person that doesn't do normally things, and not just the person is depressed. Now, we baby says, so what is the causes of depression? Depression ever.
Okay. Nalahima. Auntie Titi.
Thank you.
Me na wasi bebre. Say me wasi ya. Depression. Obi ka say I'm depressed. Nemali nyina negative things in kwa. Ebi wo ha ni kun bia odono one na ahyase won abobra na kodu baby no impromptly na be man afirimu.
You are talking about death.
Yes.
Or you are talking about heartbreaking.
Death.
Okay.
Death.
Okay.
Na be man afirimu. Ya etumi ma or you depressed. And no kra mu no tumi nya adwene bi say me worry bio. Me worry bio. And yeah no ko obi ho no bi yade na niema no emfa ne say business bi ya sha sekete ya bo ho banga ma business na nyini ebi ba bia proceeds e de niema beba no na ni counterpart no a cutting it down obi say no obey depressed. They say what's no be
so cheating can bring up depression.
Cheating also can bring up depression.
Okay.
And no actually no become anymore. And yeah no ko ebia adwuma bi ye gusu ye na ya fa wadwuma mu ebia adwuma no kete wako boya majuma le gina bibi kese efei na ebe suaba na wanya bi atse di no all of a sudden na ye yiwadi
so unemployment
ya mawo and unemployment just it ends abruptly ya ma one day obekwa adwuma ya ma let us say your service is no longer needed just ebe show we be show obey basa and sha sa basa na obey that day no it will never go away.
okay.
It will keep you all day long. You look very sad. You feel like you are hopeless. You feel like you are not wealthy. You are worthless. And you know, you'll be under that condition. You'll be depressed. Into depression, because you might be brave. Be also, Sanya, a month for general. What yeah, bibi ha eba now what can be prepared near Kawashe, Kawanutum, and then I will and no alone, no, it's me mouth, but so why depressed and no crowd to meet Triumph. I bring the dong, you know, who nipa.
You don't want to get near.
Yes, you don't want to get near to them. Nina Muno and ma and fatty papa ma you.
So now for my auntie, I say causes of depression or a say you have answer one name for a year you may do pempen so then of a sudden you are fired. They don't need your service anymore. It means how you're depressed. No matter how strong you are, it breaks you. To depression, the causes no doors. It be a financial crisis. Best in fact a crown kind of kind of it be into your financial crisis. It be your heart breaks, unemployment, broken homes. I worry. Abusive marriages, stroke, broken homes. Because to make our worry be the way the woman is abused, the way the man is abused, it's not easy. You can see some man being or you be man but the woman doesn't appreciate whatever the man is doing. Trust me, man no, or be depressed because almost and so bad and it's really bad. Same applies to the women. And very much be wash one year no papa. Uko fear bim. Na who very more Charlie, it's not easy. I am be some who say our no a military and say daddy. I am be some who our na mobile call warana mother back court movie a call. I surely them acquire, I promise, I vow to that, no. Obeko panel more bury maybe or brone area. It's serious. And we need to stop this because at the depression it be fear and kwalani hu sana at the depression it bromo. So you see some children in school no oba also in academic way no kra enkoye biem. So the teacher will be like na girl we abofra we no ne academic life no na e show pa what happened as etiaba ubekom no na fie nya de the same home so sometimes financial crisis cause money sir I don't know if you could no never chiraw if you don't have you be depressed or baby I be say we muna bia no ni ska same applies to man bema. Those days now me field work in psychology or mother and child hospital in Chiakesen Koma Munina. No training me Dr. Rose, Dr. Teresa, Nurse Grace, Obi Biara. I mean sure mother and child. Sabra no see a cases you see more teens you because of financial crisis. Or about teens you because of marriage issues. Then you depression, we should put a stop to that. Now so heartbreaking and Munyai. Someone says Munjaya come and by heart. That's no offer and son I bet swasono me pese yin twa ye ho kakra mo me nko bebia
Yo people, I go by the name DJ Dipsy and I'm locked down with PACO TV. Keep watching
PACO TV. Experience the thrill of TV.
TV efiada na efiede biara 11 o'clock to 12:30 p.m. Ni yanchiche nkobize. Wasa dwumadie mu nso enye de bia na yebesna studio so. Eto de bia yebekọ mountain so, yebekọ efiefi mu, market, in sorry hospitals, any baby biara. Siame Lady Titi, our PACO TV, efiada na efiede biara 11 o'clock to 12:30 p.m. Ni yanchiche nkomo, ni yenhwedro. Se wo pese won sponsor program we ya. Emane iya wodadwene, se wo ya market seller ni, se wo ya ejuma of pharmacy, se wo ya ejuma of hospital, doctors for, lawyers for, lots of companies for, any biaye bebre, ejuma ahu bebre. You can sponsor this program. Send ye be ya ye be drechu. Makra mo shia me abreni abrebia. Medamase.
So mama kwa baba PACO TV. Afiansa na ma join live na the journey of health. Apomuden Akwantu na mu host mu sexy journalist Lady Titi me na me di dwumedie bremo muni me de me dada moda every Friday me team ha sobutem team no na chere say me de mu dwumedie mo health tips no me de abremo because your health is my priority. Priority your health me concern, so I'll make sure always you have a healthy life. I just say bibia obeye bia ako munim say sisi adwumedi nkrofo amadin foforo almost say adin na me an aggressive health show because me hard our health show so enye me it's not my fault because Charlie right now me say nkrofo fi say apomuden na nkwa no eyetutu trust me so apomuden failure you can't do nothing to me na tetesikano ebusia fo. That's why it's all about depression. That is what we are talking about. What for edikanya trade the definition of depression. But that's what try and depression the causes of depression. But kasa bebre what trade me say that topic where it will save someone today. Trust me, because me know someone is depressed. Oh so ndidi. But that's I be musun to menda. Intene ye komwa. Me pese ye nsuya signs of depression. A dear ni ebe hu say this person is depressed. What for?
Yo, Lady Titi. Me sign that was you. Yatua young program no so yakwa yenima. Nyema bebre. If somebody is under severe, we have low depression and severe ones. If somebody is under severe depression, that person looks different within the society. Nyame person me trying to say ne nadie son. Ne ntareshemu as a son.
That one is a severe depression.
Yes. Ondidi kra ontumi ho se wadi ondidi anas wadidi. Ha. Oh, SMS wadidi. Apo me to me home. Just say, Nima be brave, name Papua Shemu, Bose and Papua B, or share left and left, or Papua Bose or share way back home, and then Yakaka be brave. Nay, to meet in a home, D. A shadi or Facosa. Just say, I dream not, I bet Shenny Mono. Emma, or need to be assassin, or look different within the society. Ebanisa, yana. In Kaifuno yana yen depressed no ye hunu say wabodamo say obo apayo no ye sawo say mi so ento ada mpanyefo say ento ada say bibi nto ya na ni conditioner owo mu no say won so koshemu a ansa na obeti na ase ba de sa mama yenya brema safo no ye especially ni ani pa ntumi ye nyakpo na ye ampai bon so boa ntumi yi nipa fi Niama bebremu enti no obi efe so so bi eye depressor ne feeling esesa o kasa won say woreka e na woreka bi they say niama ahro pi o timidi niama bebre fra oh sa yari yare ayu say
it's like what fire emotional You see, depression that depression na yeah to me poor word no depression no sexual. You can't even control yourself. Medical can which is the signs and symptoms everyone will say this person is depressed. Sometimes nibufu anger. Baby kitu ebe na hu ye nehi. If someone is depressed, say na obeye bia na time. Ehọ no aya ka say lady we dey ne hu mu born papa. Abrant we don penny pakra. And you know. Are you depressed? Ebimo ho they can't even sleep. Yen nyina ya da no, obekọ no ken kan ceilings no. And in this life, if you can't sleep well, you can't insomnia. To whom said doctor be an nurse because when you're insomnia, not as any panon to men that. When to me and dance, when you're high BP or blood pressure and a day, I call high because you can't sleep. Because of that, normally, you need to be told to me that 8 hours. Now, your fans say you are depressed.
Yes.
Now, I got that 2 hours. Oh, show more than a bed wake.
And yet, you
being a high BP. So, I only high BP, so I ain't saying baby. Not just a cell called that in Juso. The same depression, so would dear grow. I remember why you're calling insane. Because some people can get depressed, so now can I make him be account? Some people can get depressed and it be like, Mammy, call him on Sakakra. Made that best sorry, no, na. But the person have forgotten, say, or that sorry, the problem is still there. Signs and symptoms being here. Well, if I can't be dressed and as a son. Because you be a young gentleman, son or dresser, it's not good. But when our dresser basa, but so when you nip panels are brand to Ababa way, the way this person is dressing now here, it doesn't make sense. About is Apamusin Panaboda. Some people can even talk. Once the person is depressed to the extent so on a mana or kaza. Signs and symptoms need in America. And what I want to ask this question: why is it that some people almost mistaking depression with spirituality?
Me da say. Normally no. Yeah, bibi fusuban. Bibi bia, ebesi bia no. Enye keke. Woman no kware never be to Mississippi sadie. But ni mani bi wo ha, enye ni nyina na ye spirituality. Bi wo ha physical, never be sisi. Nti a make san say, mami nka asemi encho. Be break a cranny. I say me pese me ye adwuma anadwo a na say me chotro niema me sorry your department bebre sorry na most of the departments no me secretary me be secretary for different departments into no your committee say me joto minutes down na anadwo na ma record right ni nyina fefe da me pese me ye say adwuma say me kodantem be 6:13 makoda obo be 11 na menyan na sabere na bias na yedi na ye say me concentrate na me to me church na we pray one day dia bibis aha bisa no me pie na me tumi nda me pie around 11:30 p.m. na me share rabi okura basket na otwa me ho me so twa ne ho me ni mu no ntino ma kasa ne ho no nso twa mu na normally no ushi obi na otwa mu saa ukọ kakra be next 5 minutes no odan ho hwe wachi ono so eye baby a enti me dan ho hwe na chi no no so adan ho so hwe na chi me na ni be chance here bi o ma me frɛ no oba na bibisa say den no hia also orutu kwan na ade asam nti opa baby ada am so the best place ni say obekɔ police station akoda ho ana so obekɔ ahimfi na ade asa enti no me kan ne ho ne call police station. Unfortunately no the police phone nyina ada enti no I took the problem upon myself. I brought her home. Me wo guest house, guest room. Enti me ma di home man na me bisanso we didi ana ne kan man su so kodware enti no okodware be bai no na me wo milo wo home wo brodo wo home I tea kakra ana obenom na me de ne call new room na so me kodai me da kwa ti so bi bo me ponu ke esa be hwa ewre ya o so ntumi na ontumi na den na ma ontumi na enti me no be trans ma be some questions bebre ni am hu ya ne say why you depressed. She's under severe depression. Ni nyina ne say be ma bia on na chassis ketwa waton ekutu sa ekutu 50 pesos 1 cedi 50 pesos 1 cedi sama o dia passport ama no wasan ama visa enye keke obetua hoka no twa ticket mana papa yi a travel overseas no
just obana na support papa
obano na support papa no ma papa na travel overseas no 2 years later no or friend ka kire ni say onya mai nti onya bema on. In fact, an instrument ma na dream nyina say woni timu nti wo ma no afa ne basket no onam onenam nti no ma me ne kasaya me who say she needs a psychologist. Great. She needs a psychologist to counsel her. But before then no I tried to counsel her. Menene kasaya ma nia penko na ne ba mitima say menene kasa say obi ne lover ni girlfriend be ni lover.
But what you say sad, you know, sometimes it end up said the person will start falling for you.
Oh, ni nyina jina wo so wa
no, what we be to be that. See, I remember some time will be where the me master where the Santiago me remember Santiago story be different. What I remember time I me service for mother and child hospital. Or can I say only the cassette sell love and person if I went cheaply in. And this guy came, I think now over Legon and now he was depressed and he had a buy. Sada no me Dr. Kufu. No one duty or no training me with psychological field and also. I was like transy. I was like, boss, there's this guy outside. Can I come on the psychological test and be our tester? Yeah, the more you solve at the end, you be home or high level of depression or high level of anxiety and stress. Into a pneumonia, the bema therapy. Into Sabina feels I must start my field work from my bar. I feel I started my service for fraud. So I didn't know the rules and regulation. You being a psychologist, yes. It's because my mother boy way. Maybe so what's your name? Onkasa. Have you eaten? Onkasa, please stop for me. Now me the me home been bed. No just there. I was doing the work all right.
Yeah.
And yeah, trainer guy now drink ban on so now he started responding, eating and talking. You know, no I bet me. What follow my man? True story. What follow my. Anytime you be booking for another section, be like, I want to see Trancy. If Trancy is not around, I will not do the section. Doctor, I'm in love with that fair girl. Hey, I was like, me boy. I was like, me boy. Please, and some of the doctor catch him say, those people they are depressed, and if you try counseling them, they're getting attached to them. At the end, they'll fall for you. Yes. You don't know. International say this woman or this lady might fall for you.
Oh, okay, it's true.
Maybe you don't know, but within the heart, no. Yes. I wish I was with this. What hell I come with you?
And what you know, our best friend bear 3 occasions, 3 times.
I did that.
3 times. And the latest one, or one crime story called. Ni baskets, in tuma, ni tade, ni perfumes, ni shishimunya weja oninya today I'm talking to my house. So what I say,
depression there.
Depression.
On the next side of feeling loved again. She came back to me, right?
Because I said it's to me sisi. Don't forget it. Bet me I will cry my kwadanya wu. Na me can't me man in fact will be brave. Ma there's an anybody also or okay. Ma life have to go on.
Yes.
New things. The Bible says every morning God does a new thing. That's in His Psalms. Yeah. So a new thing. When one door closes, another door opens. Yeah. And depression and kasa when you get a very good psychologist, a very good counselor,
friend.
Oh God, you feel okay. You feel okay. Yeah. You feel at home. Yeah. Now all these things will be taken away. Will be taken away. Now me fakakra and depression. It be so a family line. family line. Here is the case. One day, madam for be seriously, ma, you admitted in the hospital. Ma one day because Sran or say because in the hotel. Me kwa sister be ekeke omi wo OPD ho. Dey asema nya me bi san story say dey asem asema ka kire me ani say me bewu. I'm say why do you say that? I then now say no so no our twins inti obabewu. I'm say what?
That is a buzeni me want
to say then the say our twins say no fear say ne na council our twins away. Ne nana our twins away. Ne mame our twins away. It is a ne our twins are obewu. Next 5 minutes.
Oh yeah. Wow.
What was that? Neman be brave or a family line.
Okay.
Name be a CC a war, a busiani mono, ebedu babino, na family line no, a take dominion on you. Just say, a do baby as I say, oh, no ban bidikia, when ya spiritualist be, and now say, Obia psychology be or yeah stronger.
Okay.
Ubewu.
Okay.
Ubewu.
Okay.
And it be what a family lines. It may my depression so ever.
Okay. What for our yen Facebook honomono Nanayao Hero Boy. Nanayao Hero Boy. I'll send a question to you. I say please, can depression cause loss of interest in activities once enjoy? We are depressed that nyama bia you love doing, like your hobbies, things you find interest in. Emma with Diana.
You make me say you.
Okay.
You just because depression and kasano meaning to me in siniporting say wabodam. Hey, namo and namadam bo kwanso. Say na obeye wade afa no obi inimu ye anase onimu kra wo say esebesi rebodam or rebodam enti no ne question na obi say no eye you ebetimi ama niema bebre na nka wo ye no wajaye obire kra betimi afi kra na unless unya counselor papa obe counsel wa and sana waba back to normal senses.
So I think Nanaya, Hero Boy, your question has been answered. Well, if I say, if you are depressed, things you love doing, things you enjoy doing, like your hobbies, no, because you will not feel happy doing it anymore. So I think Nanaya, Hero Boy, your question have been answered, and you are okay now. I won't say Facebook questions, no, about more. Thank you for you people joining live and watching. I mean, Obi Biara. Wafa, Nanaya, Hero Boy, thanks for watching our show. God richly bless you. God richly bless you. Nanaya, I'll say, I will say, can depression cause changes in appetite or sleep patterns? So we are depressed, that does it change your appetite? It don't mean the and answer one that's a son and I also mean this also.
You depression and kasano sleepless. Depression and kasano sleepless.
Okay.
Every normal human being have to sleep 8 hours.
I think it's a medical.
Yes, every normal human being have to sleep about 8 hours. Now, so what done one day ye pe. And I say, prayer say unyang in Ria, ubi benyao pepe, and shop at yapi. Ubesol pepe na when you na call. Just say, Kusiano, Mojano, rate circulate. And you know, answer 8 hours in the beduno. Not just a necessary cost of whom take place and son of war sorry. And it's also ubi benyao abruptly 8 hours in India. And no cause another sickness. Emma. Inquiry say if somebody is under depression, and also if somebody is depressed, the person cannot sleep well. Your saliva the saliva appetite unya didi no kra ebeyira and into no want to mean nidi efe your energy ahoden a wo be move about and I say when you ahoden want to mean nidi want to mean that and nyina it will go away a lot and many more. So if somebody is under depressed, the person cannot sleep well.
And eat well. I think Nana, your question is why I answer more. As another Nana, no, so power for questions and Bisano, Bisa. And Nana, but why are you depressed? Are you depressed? Is your girlfriend depressed? I'm better. I said, I'm sorry. I know he's helping somebody. I know, and Nana is the first person. I mean, sure, Nana. Nana Bisa, can depression cause low energy and fatigue or sedem? Yes, I'm broken. They are fatigue.
You and I make kind of say, fatigue.
Okay.
Depression can cause fatigue.
Yeah.
You can lose your strength.
Okay.
Obia oyare oni ahoden no. Wo de duan besi wa oni because oni ahoden a ye de bedidi. And you know when you are somebody is under depressed, the person cannot eat well, you cannot sleep well, you don't have the energy to do what you have to do.
Okay.
You be under all these things will not be in line with you. And you know Nana your lifestyle changes. Just when you are under depressed, your lifestyle changes.
Okay.
That is all.
Okay.
And near anka which me any assistant. And Nana friend
Nana hero boy.
Nana hero boy.
I mean, California.
Nana hero boy.
California.
Yes, baby, I will be no. Because she's will be sending
nice California.
You.
Minimum.
You know. Never be if you are under depressed, you cannot do it.
No, a science student.
Yes.
California. No, I think right now you are a doctor. California, in Jaga, so no question. I know you are interested in this because are you a victim of depression? Let me answer your questions for you. So, still of California, which is Nana, your hero boy. Or should mean this I'll say, can depression cause difficulty concentration or making decision? We are depressed, our decision making is in line.
Nana your hero boy that was say. Yes. In all these things, if you are not strong. No, when I made mention of the word strength, the power of doing things.
Okay.
The power of doing the ability of doing things. And if you don't have the ability, there are some certain things you cannot do.
Okay.
Or question away besides you know, answer you. If you are depressed,
you can't make decisions.
You can't your decision, you cannot concentrate. That is it. Concentration, you know, let me will take a decision, you know.
Okay.
And if you cannot concentrate, how can you decide for yourself? And you know, really, if somebody is under depressed, the person cannot concentrate. You can't take decisions. Yes, but we thank God that there are remedies for it. If you are not depressed, we can take some certain things to remedize you.
So Nanaya, I think your question have been answered once again. Now, answer your better commercial break, you know what? Maybe say in anything that we do, in anything that happens to us, we have side effect. So I know with depression we have side effect. So the question here is, what are some of the negative, because this we don't have positive effect. What are some of the negative effects of depression? Now you try your own answer. Negatively,
no. As a depression itself, no, a negative attitude.
Okay.
There's no positive attitude within someone who is depressed. And to be negative, sad, and queer. And you know, what to me, feel that negative, say, what to me, feel say, you are no more needed to be alive.
Oh.
Now, walk of far, be sapa, say, Bushafo Benwa, say, we, say, kind, it's you, and they never be a bit me do if you want. na any was a busua so hu say onkoya nanti ana onkoya na ana onkoya ye bibi. They have to be with you all the time. Ayesa negatively, you can gun yourself down. Negatively, you can hang yourself. Negatively, you can poison yourself. You are no more needed within the community. And you take your own life. And it's to depress and casano. A serious issue. A very serious issue. One have to take it seriously. Yes.
I want to chip in this. What kind of suicidal thoughts in Mama Kai? There was one time in Nami Juma war some company. I don't want to mention that company's name because some company been a Nami Juma more. Now this company, this guy came. I think about news. Not a Christian. So be a Christian. I mean, he said not on gospel, no, because not oka ministry which is in Jom to ministry or your worship. I think about news. Make you people know what I'm talking about. This guy about how be one or two things be. I saw him. I saw this guy. About pen or okotna. No fee ni pardon him no but na baby but me imagine anya message you ask him say oh please why is that you don't want to join us or something. I think in 2 weeks no 1 month any bad news say guy no ato no ho amaka well no knowing so was say onam ho nyina ne testicles but no sure na
yeah
no sure
yes.
I don't testicles
yeah for free
no sure or for such feel free sure
you'll be a dear panning
Santiago
you'll be a part of the human body here pass seriously and it's how show no
according to offer or some body parts hear me sure. So with this guy, not a swan was say it's not working. I just want to me the guy was depressed to the extent so or letter to her man and girlfriend. It came news, TikTok, media follow the yes, young guy.
Sorry.
But not all to Joma, sorry. And metal story na there me yana say or cordia worship. It's all about this same depression. Because it's really sad when someone is depressed, and especially so when you be one accountability the and to me and kind of problem and treno me who some emotional are you try your kakra
Yo people, I go by the name DJ Dipsy and I'm locked down with PACO TV. Keep watching.
PACO TV. Experience the thrill of
Obi benya wa na fi yade. Adofo ne ebusia da po wa na fi yade. Impo so wo keni nso ho ba flower na fi yade kroya. Enu ntina midi program anwaso amatu ni din Apomuden Akwantu mitremu a the journey of health mede bremo wasaaju medie mu ye be suanyama bebre ebino yen psychological condition mitremu our mental health well-being ye be sansua ye medical condition ye physical aspect nyama ye be ya edi impuntu bebre ye nipedia ene ya Apomuden wasaaju medie mu nso ye betun safre ekukudam expert people, learned people, send your bear, ye no be sim conja, ye no matna se, a shia dear, no much tray, and yama ya bear ever boy any pediano. Na ba hoko a me in sex life. Which a dear monso, because our mental health is stable, na physical aspect is stronger. When sex is so sweet and amazing. Was saa dwumadie mu nso enye de bia na yɛbɛsna studio so ɛtɔ de bia yɛbɛkɔ mountain so yɛbɛkɔ efiefi mu market in sorry hospitals any baby biara siame lady titi ɛwɔ PACO TV efiada na efiede biara 11 o'clock to 12:30 p.m. ni yɛntwetwe nkɔmmɔ ni yɛyɛ ho aduro sɛ wo pɛ won sponsor program we ya ɛma ne iya wo dadwene sɛ wo ya market seller ni sɛ wo yɛ adwuma of pharmacy sɛ wo yɛ adwuma of hospital doctors for lawyers for local companies for any biaye bebre adwuma ahu bebre you can sponsor this program send ye be ya ye bedu etu makra mo hia me abreni abrebia madam ase
the journey of health Apomuden Akwantu na Lady Titi mede bremo. The show is interesting. We are learning. People are healing. People are changing their mind from this suicidal thought issue. Because when you are depressed, na adwene no ho na betumi akachro na se wafadikan kai na betumi akachro na say you are hopeless, you are useless, you are no more useful. That is what the mind will tell you. Obonza na the same adwene na akachro say na ada na nkokumu ho onfefo kon wanimu no hwese na aka wonko ana wusu ukuna ewu no te ho yeden oge no mpana na ja no te ho yeden ejuma no ashana asai no to yede because recently Akwantu man to she I know people will be depressed, and I thank God say auntie any news say obi ekuno ho maybe me na man there because I didn't hear, because it hurts me when I see that someone is depressed, and especially when the person doesn't have anybody to talk to or listen to. When someone is depressed, woman can say a spiritual or a bonsam do bro. I do have bonsam anymore. See, people are going through things they can't even voice out. Into the say, let me go and kill myself. Let me go and hang myself. Actually, this SHS girl was serious saying anything. To go sign on her. There's something. Me, I've been depressed before. I know you too have been depressed. Depression or respect to Obia. Uye popo krobecho. Sana mekan what you say. Unless you take a bold step, be strong. Mukas mujamia me kasakra senwofa. Into no offer, we are coming back to our question. Now, I ask another question. I can see he's really interested in this topic.
Yes. And
I know this topic can say a part 2.
Yeah,
our time will not favor us. We have to do part 2 of this topic, depression, because Charlie, it's causing harm. Now, I also mean this. I'll say, can depression, can low esteem affect depression? When you are depression, can you have a low esteem?
You. The answer is you. Nanayao. Yes. When someone is depressed, that person, psychological factors, low self-esteem is part of it. So the answer is yes. And that one alone can make you think negatively. Negative thinking. Okay. And a negative thinking pattern. Okay. And also and yes, when you are depressed, you have low self-esteem.
Okay, I think yes. Nanaya or California, your question have been answered. And wait, dear me, and then remember, so are you interested in the topic? Santiago, you have sure what say? On one way, this a question. Santiago, I am going to say, I didn't know Lady Titi Santiago. Hey, me test you. That's why I am a lover. That's just by the way. So Santiago say, maybe I will say, can teenage pregnancy cause depression? In Peruanian saying last week, you discussing in Peruanian saying, or maybe I will say, can it cause depression a bit me the abana.
Well, sure. Question about my and only the source of depression.
Okay.
Depression, you know, mother and a teenage pregnancy.
Say Claire. Last week,
so,
do you know? Last week that was the topic we solved here.
Yeah.
And I'll say this again. Latte guys, no, they said to me that they can't answer because they go street quiz. They can't even talk about it because they are ready. So measure so what if it can cause depression,
teenage pregnancy can also cause any depression alone, but a very high depression. Because obia or teenage. When we say teenage, people don't understand the word teenage.
Okay.
Somebody who is 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. The teen people. They are the teenage people.
Okay.
They don't know anything. They don't know anything. They don't have idea about anything. The only thing they have the idea about it is the sex.
Thank you.
Okay? Only say Misha mami bi na all catch them say on wubio. Na nkomo bi na me di no kan so go no kra wagya on wubio. Na me say wagya ya wo anase wagya idie. Also idie o timi nyai na. Na o dey na dia wo le ba.
Anye die no.
E ti no na dey say ne ba, dey say no say dia wo le ba.
Why is that popular?
And teenage pregnancy, no. In fact, say two if you are a teenager and you get pregnant and you don't get anybody psychologically, group of people, family members to hold you tight. In fact, you'll be depressed. Now, the 9 months now, as I say, so now we will not hear you.
Because of depression.
Mostly, premature children, the parents, most of the woman is already depressed. And the thinking, overthinking, and then normally no premature births, no ever.
Okay. Until now we know.
Yes.
Teenage pregnancy and cause depression.
Yes, and cause depression.
Great one. It's What's it? Because a man to treat depression now.
So answer me outside the program.
Yes.
But I mean, many mom say there's more sleep after death.
Yes.
So don't rush to sleep.
Don't rush.
When you die, you sleep and sleep and sleep. You never wake up. So don't rush to sleep. So there's more sleep after death. And most especially the beautiful ones are not yet born. I hope you know. Emiana, oh, you fair pano. Oh, say, you was a besan, teenage funo. I was a besan, I was a return, ain't no, waffle. Memano, Emiano, then recently I make home, me many. But actually, me yell, say me many.
For what father was so what I don't know. Yeah, Assemblies of God, to a father, what's that?
Time changes. Me many. Make or two a teenager or beer any bema outside that was sexy. And make them.
Can I use this word? Are you stupid?
Bema na sabi on the already dano. Or the Wabontino or Obe Wabonti Ube did you Wabonti
Abonting.
And you know, I don't want to use that word from me. Say stupidity and kasa. You enter a program.
Yes, I net you free. I say, what far? Yes, you see, you do effect of depression, and I know in any problem we have a way to solve it. International says your first solution how to solve depression. Now this question where the Rafia Ibrahim, your question in the any baby I do know Atali Pepe Penyamin Shroud or see me bisa say please I am a young 19 I'm saying Nidimba Hone. how can one be free from depression? Not just a bad solution
Yes.
of an avoidance of depression. So how can we avoid depression?
Young, you know, I say anti-titi.
Okay.
Young program no, net program no. You were two, I can two topics are. Two topics are you can suffer home na ansana. Yeah. Draw the curtains down.
Yeah.
And the kind depression are manageable.
Yeah.
Depressions are manageable.
Yeah.
And we can. It is also unavoidable. Okay. One. Solution and answer managing of depression. You will yarea obetumi akọ hospital so akọ psychologist. Now your drugs are antidepressants.
Good.
Antidepressants.
Good. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
That is one. So when you get to the hospital, when you see the physician, that problem can be solved also there. And aside that, as I said, when you are depressed, your lifestyle changes.
Okay.
So we have to get people who will be with you all the time, exercise the body regularly.
Okay.
Exercise the body regularly. Let's go and play football. Okay? Whether you know how to play or not, you have to be included. Okay? You are going to score. I'm expecting 3 goals from you.
Okay.
Right? So the brain that tells him that she or he is under press will tend to be on the football.
Okay.
And he's yearning to score 3 goals.
Okay.
It will keep you out from depressed. You understand?
Yeah.
That is one. So you have to exercise the body regularly. Then you have to find a very nice diet.
Okay.
All the time. What your people, what somebody is under depressed, that person cannot do anything for himself or herself.
Okay.
So you, the next person, you, the family member, you, the friend, the group within he.
Can depression lead people into drugs? And also, what measures can we put to prevent it?
Good. Yes, depression can lead people into drugs. Nema Ebansan said, don't food to the zombie. I'm saying a big cleanser. I say, appetite seller give me quarter. I will pay you tomorrow. So problem day for my head though. When I drink, I will. Oh, you see, that is what they feel. If somebody is under depressed, often say so problems. Therefore, in top.
Yeah.
Therefore, when he boosts, he will avoid it.
Okay.
Dragging yourself or alcoholism will not take off the depression.
It's not
or it's not the best. Okay. It's not the best. And you know, it's better you keep off.
So be human. I think you've understood what Wafa is saying. Taking in alcohol or substance abuse, which is drug abuse, no, it can't prevent it. Sana Wafa di can kind. You better see the psychologist. Get close to people. Do more exercise. Take in a lot of water. See, get close to people and they'll be positive. And you more on because it just so yeah. We have some people like that. Wakon in China, wakan was a man no or tongue. Don't go to such people. Because as someone who say MPA and Kawabako TV station and I radio show and I order bed brand me boom de rama. Because it's something you didn't want anybody to know now. You had trust in someone now, no. Now, who sani panons or third person, but you're for day. So, if you are depressed, get close to positive people. People that can tell you, yes, God will answer, God will do. People that can tell you sweet things. So, what I'm saying, so I know being human, your question is solved. You try your hoka crane and combra.
Like the alphabet and letter Z. Tell them it's nothing about so.
Yo, people, I go by the name DJ Dipsy and I'm locked down with PACO TV. Keep watching.
PACO TV. Experience the thrill of TV.
Okay. Me mama kwa babiom. eba PACO TV. So the journey of health. Na ene dear, yes, dear baby. I know you are happy there. I am also happy because today we have solved a lot of people problem. People are suffering from depression and we all know. Na eneno yet on suffer Mr. Samuel Edu and Sam. Me friend or wafa ebi munso friend teacher. Yes, indeed, he is a teacher because another what yama baby, and I'm so happy. Brea swing dear, not just say and time no as soon every the time is due and we are about to close. Interference and our barber joining dear. Please, when you get the link, you share, you watch, you give your comment, and you like it for us. Obey to me so follow YouTube so as well, TikTok as well, then Facebook as well, all social media platform. PACO TV, edemu bako. Na yen show no so de ebi mo semi into the aggressive health show because it's really serious when it comes to health show on PACO TV. Na ansa na ye be sorry so no ye di kan me di kan ye nyina ye di kan say enye me nko we have sponsors our supported this program. Na omono ye koye ni ma na nyame ye Joyce Fashion so ope baby apam atare papa atare a edawa ehome. You see, the dress is breathing. Yes, a Joyce Fashion. Nyami a Joyce Fashion. Or Walate Kubasi DA opposite kwa. Or Sanso Tonton. Fabrics, baby. Fabrics, apapapa. Fabrics are entered that. Na. Bet to me AUCB. Into for any tree or one non permanent arrange on in she our party. That's the natural say. You look is sexy and hot. Near Koya Nimun Sa Paddy's mother. Or a monochrome open kwala hunyama eho se baby oil diapers powders bibi biara e fan kwala ho ewo ho no mo amonyanyem no mo amopesa monyem no mesra mo ye nyem keke de bia meka monya ho akade no monyem girls na mon show mo na mon kopa this matter ke na mon koto kwala ni nyama because eho no is affordable and eye original na yakoye ni Maritas Cosmetic de bia mekala ne de etoso Yahwana metomi nyama or PSTS in chemu ha ope bibi bia ya de ka body no body splash air spray cream hair food bibi biara or sounds to mean in yake kan wo do any trail ha obenya na pepepe e cheap nso or you talk to me building and construction or fire service nso so ope baby ato eyem kwala hunyama sorry ope baby ato building kwala. Just a teenage pregnancy, it did me team. I think I need to do
something about it.
Oh God. Oh yeah, talk to me building and constructions. Ope baby ato a dying hunyama. Oye talk to me. Ubenya bibia pepepe. Nya person fan kan wo dan hu bia wo dan na nye fe. Na chese abrempon imbrem mbesha. Oye talk to me. Building and constructions. Ha na baby aye dui ansa na ye be sorry so kra no wofa de na wo kan twato afutu be na wo de ma etiefo obi o ha wa ye depressed e de na wo ka kire no na wo nchie bi nso na we chia obi biara
yo Madam Titi
yes.
me da wase bebre nya ko ensura
amen
me so ye manage bebre say odi mi apa baba star programming so ama me be kire madwene sebe e me kwa na sebe adnyansa nyina wo miti na mo ye kire agene talking of depression no depression can be prevented.
Okay.
Right, depression can be prevented. Okay. And as I said, we observe on 10.
Okay.
Who say if you are under depressed, then you have to maintain strong relationship.
Okay.
You understand? And now for just and I'm for busy on
okay.
Maintain strong relationship, and these people will keep you,
okay.
And they refrain you from depression.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. And no, actually maybe can say exercise. Exercise. Okay. Exercise the body regularly. Walking, ibia trotting, ibia games be part of it.
Okay.
And that one alone will keep you away from being depressed. Yes. Yeah. Sabri so no medical HIA Osofo Solomon Akins. Assemblies of God so for all at or Demufua. Asoromala to the King Solomon. King Solomon, the papa of the day. Yes. Edinchia Kese Emamo. Maumbia Assemblies of God Funina especially church board as the high hierarchy of the church. Church board for Nanaya, Wafajo, Wafaya Wadame, Auntie Mercy, anyone Kakahuna. Me as a body Makuma, Major Obi, now where you say, thank you. Depression natural. And into the Chiaobia, and Fay, me chia, me nafufu, and Mia and Merima. Yeah, Mia and Merima, me person my body, and Mamibia, my body. Yes, he has been a very good friend to me. And Wabam Minoa Bremo, Afutumo, Sanya, Okasa, Nimebi, Uyen, Obekato Street, then Yakaho. Chia Obia, yes, I break Chia Obia. We are out here and I'll follow your programming. Chia Yakopo Insurance.
Wafasi Nyankopo Inshira Obibiara, Pastor Solomon Akins, Nyankopo Inshira, the papa of the house, Evangelist Samuel Aye, Nyankopo Inshira, Wafajo Nyankopo Inshira, Inshira Alexis 1, Alex. Nyankopo Inshira, so they be follow show you mame or promoting Sandra Atom, my best friend from school, Nyankopo Inshira, Inshira no limit or Dubai, they be opposite me show you mame or follow me. Nyankopo show be biara or support show me crew members for Santiago, Nanaya, on one of your friend in California, no, my manager, Mr. Asamoah, aka PACO, Nyankopo Inshira Munina, na ansana mi lady Titi Mesori, so me pese me mamonti asese. A problem said is a problem half solved. Into se bibi true so go to the right channel, the right people, and talk to them. See the psychologist and talk to them. The better therapists, like the talking therapies, the counseling sections, and everything. Send you be avoid depression, now you avoid suicide. It will Ghana. And sana mesori so no you host Lady Titi PACO pe inchia inso kese nkoma eljo is a champion. Yamin shrap bibiara. That's ne yebishia. Bye bye.
Sports, news, entertainment, education. PACO TV. Experience the thrill of TV.